Gunkun fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're a banana lover, here's a perfect way to level up your bananas by turning them into the most delicious chocolate chips banana bread ever. Let's get started. First, grab 3 large ripe bananas. Mine are a bit small, so I'm using 4. We want to end up with 1.5 cups of mashed bananas. Mash them up with a fork and set them aside. Now, prepare a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Grease it. Line it with the baking paper and preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. For the dry ingredients, sift your all-purpose flour into a bowl. Add baking powder, baking soda, and sea salt. Mix everything with a whisk until well combined. Set this aside for later. Now in a large mixing bowl, add butter and oil for that perfect blend of flavors. Next, add brown sugar and granulated sugar to elevate the taste even more. Beat them on a medium speed for 2 minutes. Now add 1 large egg and beat it, followed by the mashed bananas and a splash of vanilla essence. Once everything's well mixed, it's time to fold in the dry ingredients. Use a spatula and be careful not to overmix. We want that soft texture. Finally, stir in a generous amount of chocolate chips for that extra chocolatey goodness. Pour the batter into your greased pan. Level it out and sprinkle some more chocolate chips on top for an extra touch and sweetness. Bake for 55 to 60 minutes. Check with a toothpick to make sure it's done. While it bakes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our delicious recipes like this one. Alright, it's been 55 minutes. Let your banana bread cool on a rack for about an hour. The aroma is filling my kitchen right now. So tempting. Now let's slice it and see. Wow, it's soft, moist, and look absolutely delicious. Perfect to enjoy with a hot cup of coffee on a cozy winter evening. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Stay connected. Until next time, keep baking, keep smiling.